All right, show y'all how to get rid of this pesky oil change alarm. They don't always reset it for you when they change the oil, and you see it comes on there. When you got in your vehicle, that alarm comes up, you're in your driveway and whatnot, turn your vehicle off. All your doors need to be closed at first. You open, close your door, you turn the switch back on without hitting the brake pedal. You wait for it to come back up. Once it comes back up, you're going to hold your brake and your gas down for about 30 seconds, and it should reset for you. We're holding it here. Service oil reset in progress. You can see it there. And I think we've got it, friends. Service oil complete. Sorry, it's blurry. There you go. Service oil reset in progress. Keep holding your brake and gas down at the same time, and it should tell you at this point that the service reset is complete. There we go. Then we'll just turn the vehicle off. We'll open our door like we're leaving. We'll get back in the vehicle. We'll start the vehicle up. And now the only thing that should be here is telling me I got my park brake on, ready to drive. Let's make sure no more alarms come up. And that looks like that's it, friends. Hey, if this helped you at all, please hit the like and subscribe. I would appreciate that so much if you would do that for me. I hope it helped. Have a great day.